Today I want to show you how to make simple presentations using this incredible generative AI tool called Gamma.app. It helped me create my presentation for LLM evaluations. Let's go into it. We're in the home dashboard and we're going to go ahead and create a new Gamma.app presentation. And for this, you're going to have to be on Gamma's on the left-hand side sidebar and just create new AI. Tip number 1, you have to go ahead and paste in text if you want to get the best results. And in my case, I'm creating a presentation about the need for using evaluations when you're using AI systems. And I have done some research with ChatGPT and also inserted some of my notes, and combined I got a piece of text, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just paste it in here, and you can see I have like a pretty neat format. You don't need to, but it helps out a lot with adhering to the content that you wanna have. Okay, and I make sure that I have presentation over here, and then next we're gonna go ahead and generate from the notes. All right, tip number 2, you're gonna go ahead and just set card by card, and what it's gonna do is ask you to split it. You're gonna say yes, split for me, and this is gonna give it semantically a breakdown slide by slide. Tip number 3, you're gonna go ahead and condense, and you're gonna make the amount of text minimal. I recommend that, especially considering that people have a short attention span. If you want to add more details, you can do that slide by slide later. Tip number 4, you can preview the themes that you want for your presentation. So over here, I'm going to click on View More, and I'm going to get a feel for the presentation style that I want to have. Now, it's a general guideline for you to choose soothing colors, like what I have right now. This is like a soothing palette. So is blue. Blue is one of the most trusted colors as well. I have a presentation and you can check out when it comes to signaling different things with different colors. Depends really on the messaging you want to have. In my case, Oasis is really my brand, right? It really aligns with the colors that I've chosen. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. Tip number 5, you can choose the image art style. So there are gonna be some stock images going to generate through generative AI, and I recommend you go ahead with something that is aligning again with the theme that you want to go with, right? So if I would choose line art or something abstract, that probably is going to go in line with the theme of artificial intelligence, right? So I'm going to go ahead with line arts because I really like it. It's consistent. Number 6, you can choose some extra keywords here to give a certain vibe when it comes to the particular presentation. I want to choose minimalistic and modern. Those are the 2 keywords I'm going to use to describe my presentation style. And I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Number 7, do not move away from your tab because it actually waits for you to be there. I think it's actually a really clever gimmick that they have in order for you to see the action happening in real time. Tip number 8, you can change the layout of your slides really easily. So I don't really like here this layout of information. I'm gonna click on the 3 dots on the left, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the column size be bigger, and automatically that's gonna give it more space, right? This is not the only way to do it. I could also change, for example, from it being solid boxes to, let's say, being, bullets, right? So I can choose small bullets. Tip number 9, click on your image in order for you to edit it. And then there's a sparkling sign, and you're gonna click on it, and you're gonna say, well, I want to have sparks and smoke. It's actually intelligent. It comes up with like intelligent recommendation. And it actually did it. It came up with a really nice rendition. And tip number 10, you go ahead and present. And all you do is just click up on the top right, and you're ready to just go ahead and show it to people. Amazing, isn't it?